Peel off the brownish colored skin of squid and wash well many times, adding salt. Saute 1 cup of chopped savala until light brown color. Now add a pinch of salt and keep stir the chopped savala. Yeah, now we got a light brown color on savala. Now place a pan over the stove and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and a half teaspoon of fenugreek seed and a half teaspoon of jeera. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and ginger paste. Yes, now it's the time to add 3 pieces of green chili. After adding green chili, let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a small piece of cinnamon, 2 pods of cardamom, 1 piece of star anise, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seed. Yeah, now I'm gonna add 1 cup of raw coconut flakes. Yeah, now we need to add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now I'm gonna add the fried savala to the pan and half cup of lukewarm water to the pan. This is the consistency of gravy after adding water. Do not add more water because the squid can be released more water when we cook. Now let's pour the prepared gravy from the pan to a pressure cooker. Aywa! Finally, my task is about to get over here. I'm gonna add the clean squid with the gravy, then the required amount of salt and curry leaf. You can add either curry leaf or coriander leaf as you wish. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and cook it on high flame for 1 whistle and 3 whistles on low flame. That's enough. Now you will get very soft and delicious squid roast. Okay, after hearing the last whistle, release the pressure and open the lid. If you need thick consistency, cook it for 3 or 4 minutes and dry out the water content. Yeah, of course, it was a great payoff. Finally, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Yeah, you can be used either tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. Okay, now it's over here. If you like the recipe, comment on it, share it, like it, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.